In today's video, we will create this simple cloth unrolling animation in Blender. Then first open Blender, then delete the default cube, point light and camera. Then press Shift plus A to add a plane, go to top view and scale the plane along the y-axis and slightly along the x-axis. Then select the plane and go to edit mode, subdivide it and increase the number of cuts to 32. Then go back to object mode and move the plane slightly along the y-axis. Then press Shift plus A, go to curve spiral and add an Archimedean curve. If you don't see the curve spiral option in Blender, go to edit, preferences, then go to the extension tab and search for extra curve objects and install it. Then increase the turns to 4 and set the radius growth to minus 0.22. Then rotate the curve spiral 90 degrees on the y-axis. After that, straight the outer vertices. Then select the plane, go to the modifiers tab and add a curve modifier. Select the curve spiral as the target object and set the deform axis to minus y. After that, scale down the spiral to fit the plane properly. And then apply the shade smooth to the plane. Then go to edit mode, select the top vertices of the plane, then go to object data property, add a new vertex group, rename it as a pin and then click on assign. Then select your plane, go to the physics property and add a cloth simulation. In the shape section, add your vertex group, enable self collision under the collision setting and set the friction value to 80 and the distance value to 0.02. Then go to the modifiers tab and add a subdivision surface modifier. Increase the viewports level to 2. Ensure that the subdivision surface modifier is placed under the cloth modifier in the modifiers tag. Afterward, return to the physics property and bake the simulation. Your animation is now complete.